So over here, you can see that I have my power window applied onto this particular footage right here. And if I were to go around over here onto, let's say, for example, onto, let's say, power window, then you will be able to see the power window right here. But over here, when the effect is applied, then you can see on the footage where it is applied. But if you want to, let's say, have more detail on which area it actually works around with more, then you can go around over here onto the top and then click on the highlight button right here. So once you do that, what happens is that you can see that where it affects the most. So you can go around over here, and this is what you have. As you can see, you can go around and resize this, as you can see, and you exactly know that the gray areas that you see right here is where there is no effect, and the purple area that you can see right here, the bluish area, that is where the effect is applied. I can also go around over here on the top, and then I can set it to highlight black and white mode right here so that it is more distinct. The white areas are the ones where the effect is not applied, where the black area is the area where the effect is applied, and gray area are where a certain transparency level of effect is applied. If I were to go around over here onto A and B, then you can see that the highlight is in a different mode right here. You see the details right here on the back, on the footage right here, plus you see the gray areas and everything else, as you can see right here. And as you move everything around right here, you can go around, click and drag this out. This is what you have. As you can see, you see the details out right here, and then you see where the effect is applied. So you can see how this actually works. Like, you can go back right here and see how that affects. So you can go around over here onto the highlight mode to see exactly where the applied power windows are and which area of the footage it is affecting. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.